IGS HOT-TEK ROV Mark 7, which is for cleaning of convection box on fire heaters.
IGS stands for Integrated Global Services. We're a global engineering service solution provider.
So we have different material, different solutions, as well offline as well as online. So we can also repair, clean fired heaters during operation.
The virtual reality system gives us the opportunity to train our personnel on the application standard so they understand the critical aspects to maintain quality to apply these products in any environment around the world.
I want to thank IGS for this opportunity to attend this meeting. This presentation was very helpful.
And each and every product and services discussed.
And I'm happy that I could interact with so many people here.